You've probably never heard of Parson's Mountain in South Carolina. A lot of locals don't even know about it. It's not a state park. It's not on a lot of maps. But tucked deep in the pine woods of Greenwood County where we lived, there's a ridge called Parson's Mountain, and it has more story than most people ever realize. It was once home to gold miners and moonshiners, and the shafts are still there for you to check out on the hike up. Parson's Mountain is not a towering peak by any stretch of the imagination. You might not even see it until you get closer. But the elevated ground rises substantially over the surrounding areas, and the views are stunning. You can climb the old fire tower if you're brave. The view stretches wide across old farmland, reservoirs, and the bones of what used to be. Parson's Mountain isn't necessarily a bucket list spot, but it is a reminder of a simpler land, of quiet places, of how much story lives in the Carolina backwoods, waiting to be heard again. Stay tuned to the channel because coming up soon, I'm going to have a comprehensive video filled with all kinds of South Carolina adventures, history, and societal observations. I spent a lot of time in the Parson's Mountain area. I caught a lunker of a bass in the nearby lake, and the hunting, the off-road trails, the exploring, the nature, the peace, it's endless. Thankfully, much of South Carolina is national forest, and while views are divided on National Park Service, we can all agree that the National Forest Service does an excellent job. And finally, this short, simple video is a reminder that if you have nature near you, you're blessed. Get outside, go enjoy it, every day.